Introduce Mikrotik Crs354 48P 4S+2Q+Rm. If you are looking for a single switch that will put your network setup ahead of the curve and power all the necessary devices, look no further. The new Crs354 48P 4S+2Q+Rm is an effective and adaptable rack mount solution for managing networks in the most demanding environments. Unlike many other switches out there, our products are made with the system administrator in mind. This powerful switch has 48 by 1G RJ45 ports and 4 by 10 QSFP plus ports. There are also 2 by 40G QSFP plus ports for extremely fast fiber connections or linking with other 40 gigabits per second devices. All 48 Ethernet ports offer different power output options: passive PoE, low voltage PoE, 802.3 AF/at, Type 1 PoE/Type 2 PoE Plus, with auto sensing, making this switch the easiest solution to power even the largest setups. We have included a mighty power supply that can provide 750 W of power. This switch can handle a lot. And there is a special bracket for easy cable management. Crs354 48P 4S+2Q+Rm is extremely functional, and it has the best price point on the market. It will make the perfect addition to a professional setup. The total non-blocking throughput is 168 gigabits per second, switching capacity is 336 gigabits per second, and the forwarding rate reaches 235 Mbps. Thanks for watching.